Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about, I guess you could say, a very funny article where it says, or I shouldn't say funny, I should say a very unusual article. It says driving instructors have until January 1, 2024 to get certified. So this means persons are teaching persons to drive on the roads in Jamaica and they are not certified. I have to laugh because I'm wondering if that's why we have so many bad drivers in Jamaica, because the persons who are teaching them to drive are not certified. So let's go through the article and then we discuss it after. We definitely need to get more information on this. Driving instructors have been given time to meet certification requirements under the new law governing the use of the nation's roads. As provided under the Road Traffic Act and regulations, driving instructors and driving schools are required to be certified and licensed by the Island Traffic Authority. Speaking in the House of Representatives recently, Minister of Transport and Mining Honorable Audley Shaw informed that the effective date for the requirement is proposed to be January 1, 2024. He said the date will allow reasonable time for instructors to undergo an approved training program. Phased implementation of the new road rules commenced on February 1. The legislation aims to better regulate and promote safe use of Jamaica's roadways. Before applying to be certified as a driving instructor, the person must be at least 24 years of age, must have held and used the class of driver's license for which certification is being sought for a period of not less than 24 months, and successfully complete a driving instructor training program approved by the authority. The application made to the ITA should include a police record, character references from any two of these persons, a justice of the peace, a minister of religion, an officer of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, or an attorney at law, a medical certificate from a registered medical practitioner indicating the health, including the mental health, of the applicant and the fees specified. The authority may, upon receipt of an application, request that the applicant furnish additional information and documents as required relevant. An applicant for a license to operate a driving school is required to, among other things, provide evidence that an owner, a director, or a partner of the school is a certified driving instructor, and also provide character reference from any two of these persons. The applicant must also prove that the building to be used for a classroom at the driving school is approved for the purpose by the local authority, is in good repair, has adequate firefighting and protective equipment, has suitable and adequate toilet facilities, and staff and students and supplies necessary for rendering first aid, and is equipped with adequate desks, chairs, audio and visual equipment for other necessary items. Also to be submitted is a written outline of the classroom and on-the-road instructional program, which should meet or exceed the minimum program standards established by the authority. The authority may at any time inspect or cause an inspection to be made of a driving school by any authorized person and keep a register of driving instructors and driving schools to be known as a register of driving instructors and driving schools. Alright, so that's the end of the article. So that is what persons have to do to get licensed as a driving instructor. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.